Thank you. Okay. Okay. It's okay.
Ayan, it's okay?
No, it's okay.
Sige. Ano man tawag dito?
Mariam?
Yun na.
Hello po. Good morning.
Good morning po. It's
Rappel means it's a rope.
okay. Hi!
You okay?
Hi! So yun nga XP at today is mag-ahay kami dito sa Mount Manabu dito sa Batangas. So nandito kami ngayon sa Jampopo starting point. So
Hindi, sweeper ako. Ano ka ba?
sweeper ka ba? Okay.
Yan ang trabaho ko magantay.
Siya. Medyo madulas. Buti na lang hindi ngayon maulan, no? Hindi siya mainit. Wanan. Nandyan, dire-diretso lang po.
Saan?
Opo, dito yan dyan. Look at the view that we have in the morning. Yeah. So how was the first
First hike.
hike?
Hingaling.
Hingal?
It's first time for me.
First time? Hindi first time?
Second time.
Second time. Okay.
But I think it's manageable.
It's manageable. Are you okay? Marami. Paunti-unti lang. Sip-sip lang.
Quick water.
Sip lang. Wag yung inom na inom.
This is good.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
I'm back from my retirement.
Retirement.
Yeah.
Retirement for what?
Retirement for mountain climbing.
Yeah. It's right.
Copyright.
Copyrighted. Then. Today I'm going to hike too and drink the coconut water. You can buy here.
Yes.
Maybe later. We get down. Kaya magkano buko?
25.
25 lang. Okay, mamaya pagbaba. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kidaan po. May mga tinda po. Joe, backlog.
Miles, can you coordinate?
Can you coordinate this one? Joke.
Dawa white above ground should be buried.
It should be underground. Why? It's what?
Oh, we mark correctly, but the drafting department don't put the labeling correct. Must complain to David.
Ingat.
Sira na shoes mo.
Oh my God.
What's that?
The shoes got
Oh, okay.
broken.
Broken?
Sir, ano kasi pag natatagalan yan sa tabihan talaga, yung Merrell ko rin eh. Yung shoes kong Merrell, nasira.
Pag hindi ginagamit.
Sayang lang. Kasi gawa na nag-pandemic. Nung nagka-COVID. Hindi, parang 2 years ko yata siyang hindi nagamit. Parang ganun.
Good morning.
Hello po, good morning. Makikidaan po.
Po kayo.
Sige po, thank you po. Buko.
Buko ko mamaya.
Kaya nga po. Good morning. Makikidaan po, salamat. 2019? Halos sabayan lang nung ano ko, nasira yung swelas ng ano ko, sapatos ko eh. Hindi na siya nagamit.
Yun, naka-hook dito yan.
Ah, naka-hook. Okay.
I used to do that as well.
Okay na?
Climbing and then okay na ako!
Rape.
Rappel means it's a rope, right? Yeah, there's a rope and then you go down. Okay.
Goma, sir. Goma.
You just like something like that.
Ano yan? Goma. Para mas ano. Ayun. Ganda pa naman. Ang kakulay ng ano mo. Tinta.
Doon na lang tayo tumambay mamaya doon sa ano niya.
Oh, sabi niya magkape daw tayo eh.
Ako, piinit.
Wala na si yung nagbabantay pala dati doon.
Patay na, namatay na.
Namatay na. November. Sa kanya pala yun. Dapat iligpitan mo pa. Okay na yan?
Mahipit na yung sa ano ko, dugo.
Let's go. Isa lang.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, isa lang. Bakit dalawa ba? Hindi na ba, may hatiin na lang yun. Pagka na, ano yung mahaba.
Ayan.
Hindi ko mahaba.
Injury.
Injury.
Down.
QC is ano?
Labis pa ba?
Place in the Philippines.
Or open water. Matagal din di ginagawa.
Hindi. May ano naman yan, ma? May mga bato. May mga rocks. Yeah. Ang linaw ng tubig. Dito nang gagaling yung ano nila, ano. Oh!
Careful.
It's bottled water.
Ito, cakes, oh.
Never
Ma'am,
crossing.
maiwan na lang po dyan, ma'am. Sige, pipikapin ko na lang. Ma'am,
Paiwan na lang
maiwan na
daw.
lang po dyan.
Okay. I leave this here.
Thank you. Okay.
Ayan, ha?
So,
Cakes!
it's my life. Kumanta. Ganda. No fruits. No,
Tie here.
this way.
Here. Sinid.
Okay, thank you.
Do not touch nga eh. Do not touch. Well, dito tumingin ka, dali. Tumingin ka.
Asa na sili?
Ha? Pasaway ka talaga. Saway.
Where's the flower?
No flowers. Station 4.
Station 4.
Yeah.
We're in Station 4.
Ito pa. Mushroom.
Mamonso.
Mamonso, mushroom. Sa mushroom. Oh,
Hello po, good morning.
good morning po. Good morning, kuya.
Good morning. Ano po yan?
Wow.
May...
Picture. Okay. Wait. DJI?
DJI na pala. O sige,
Yeah.
kunin mo ako. Branded na.
Yun na,
Yung huli, tatapo ko dapat sa tubig yun.
ano yun? Sa premo. Picture, dali. Akin na yung camera, yung kanino camera. Camera.
Wait. I'll take a picture.
Camera. I'll take the picture. Wow. Here. Let's go here.
Dito kayo sa kabila. Alright. Sige. Dito kayo sa ano? Sa close friend ko kayo. Maraming salamat.
Check out daw muna.
Ganun na.
Nakayat na kayo.
Kita ko sino yung mahuhulog. Later. Sige, pag may malaglag dyan, di ko na...
Subscribe. Like. Subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
And share.
Yeah, I'm okay. Here.
And Mariam?
You did much harder than
Yeah, correct.
Pwede pong magtanong, malapit na po ba?
Ang alin?
Yun pong ano,
Layo pa.
malayo pa.
Wala pang mga clouds eh. Wala pang mga sea of clouds.
Pag may sea of clouds na, ano.
It's just 1 hour of hike.
Congratulate ako.
Wala kasi kaya sa akin.
Oh? Ready?
Sit down here. Hi.
I think Kiko will not be there.
Who?
Kiko.
Kiko?
Will not joining us because the boat shoes got broken.
Give up already.
Give up already.
Kiko?
Yeah.
Pico? Give up?
No,
Francisco?
Francisco.
The whole shoes.
The
already
boat
gave up.
shoes.
Oh,
Yeah.
then we go back?
No. Wait.
You were there?
Yeah.
Or we should wait for him?
Francis, sira.
4 na lang. 4. At na lang tayo. Shucks.
And then there were none. Joke.
Then I will take a video of you.
Me, is it?
Yeah. And then QF. Hi.
Hi.
Is that just video or?
The video.
The video.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Both of you.
Charge. Talent fee.
Your video. And?
Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito? Kalimutan ko na.
Saan?
Uod. Uod lang.
Hey, maybe we can take a picture.
Take a
There's... Yeah.
Wait, I'm going? Yeah. Maybe I can follow your... Uy. Is your,
Back.
The view is good. We're still in station 6, right?
Yeah.
Haven't reached station 7. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay.
Hika. Okay.
The view here is...
Ganda ba?
Ako.
Maganda ka.
Lapit na.
Look at the view. Oh God. It's beautiful here. Ganda. Okay. Hey. Let's
Parang hindi Pinay yun. Hindi siya Pinay.
take a video.
Hi!
Our
Mau, mana, boo! Mana, boo!
Station 6.
Okay.
Yay!
Never mind, we follow them. Safer.
Can we
Safer.
sit first?
Alam mo ba, hindi yan nakakain.
Hindi nga.
It's one route.
There.
It's one route.
You're my tour guide now.
So that means we go station 6. Yeah.
Station
So that
6.
means we need to go 7.
Station 7.
Then go back 7. Hi, hi.
Hi!
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to
Nandito na tayo sa
Manabu.
Manabu! Look!
Yo.
Say hi!
Hi. It's
Oh,
okay.
yeah,
Can.
it's okay?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Monday, sick leave. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look! Look! Ang ganda! QF oh!
This is good.
It's beautiful! Town of Batangas! Look! Wow! DR! Summit! Yay! QF say, I survive! Maybe we should take picture.
First time.
Yay!
This one? Or?
1/4 of Mount Barang. Total action
Hi!
217.
Like, mas madulas. Tapos mas kailangan mo. Oops.
Tubig mo sa kabila.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
How we have this now?
This is the hard part.
Hirap. Because of the sandals. No,
Lamiren or what?
Lamiran, yeah, Lamiran, yeah, Lamiran.
Okay.
It's hiker sandals.
Okay.
Okay. Lamiwan. Hi guys.
Have you? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
We're worried about your shoes as well.
Yeah.
Hi!
You okay?
You're good? Thank you. Hi. Good.
Ako barefoot.
Barefoot! Ikaw, Jow, kamusta ano?
Ayos lang, sir.
May anong meron sila dyan na pagkain?
May lumpia sila dyan.
Mountain Dew, sponsored.
Ay, yung mga bata, andun pa.
Thank you.
Yung bata. Yung mga kasabay niya.
Thanks God naman, ma'am. Na-okay ka na. Salamat naman sa Diyos. Good. Pahinga muna kami dito.
We will edit
Yan,
all the
pahinga.
faces there. The thing there.